Welcome back to Trade Pro FX. Today is another amazing video. We are talking about the Deriv binary options.com, and I'm going to use the incognito mode, and where we reached is where we are going to proceed. So we reached using the www.tradeprofx.co.ke. We scooped 1000 USD, and normally I usually tell you this is the reality of life, that you do not win every day. And if that is so, what you do, I would like for you that whenever you start winning, I just pray that all your winnings outcome or give you the best of the best outcome, such that it covers all those losses. So today we are still using the over 2 or under 7 concept that I taught you earlier in the morning. So that is what we can see. Digit 0, 1, 2, only 2 digits are meeting our condition. So we'll start with all the 1 second markets. So we start with volatility 10, 1s. So we check both on 0, 1, 2 and 8, 7, 8, 9. So this one doesn't meet our required conditions. So we go to volatility 25, 1 second. That is the second market. So I'll now doing the analysis, checking any that have all below 10%. So we can see there none is at below 10%. We get to the next one, which is volatility 51s, and we see it. So we can see this one has under 7. It qualifies our trading. So under 7, and then that is under. Make sure you are on under. Then ticks is 1. So then you can set your stake here. So we are going to go with 200 USD, and then the entry point is on digit the red bar is on digit 3. So that way, the first one, and then the first trade is a win. So we wait again. You can see the entry. We said only for 3 trades you should be out of that trading. So let's wait again. We are waiting for the digit 3 to be, that one is the red bar, the entry point, that way. And then you click, and we have won again, and we wait again. We can see the market has changed. Look at digit 8. So again, let's wait back again to 10%. You leave it. Never overtrade. So back again. We can see 3. Let's wait 3. So waiting for digit 3, and then we enter there, and then our entry, perfect. And those are 3 trades. As I told you, always make 3 trades, you are out of the market. So currently we are at 1214, and that's how we are going to be making it simple, precise, work hard, just simple manual trading. In case that's why I'm doing for the bot trading. And the manual you can get it on derivbinaryoptions.com. Go to your incognito mode, or if you are using any device, choose private mode, such that you are not being traced. No cookies which are being traced. It's simple as that. So let's meet in the next video. This is derivbinaryoptions.com site, and that's why you can see there this interface, which is very awesome. So for bot trading, we can use the www.tradeprofx.co.ke at all times. So I'll be teaching you this until we make it to the end, and you can see how simple it is. Just trust the process. Bye bye.